Please, let's stop and share. Let's stop. 2K likes, then we start. 2K likes. Let's stop.
Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn
2K
more.
likes. Let's start, guys. Good morning to you all. I hope you are doing well. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Thank you for joining on YouTube. God bless you, guys. Let's keep tapping. Thank you for joining. Let's tap and share this live stream. Let's tap and share this live stream. Let's tap and share this live stream. Let's get to 2K likes on TikTok so that we can start, guys. 2K. On the YouTube, please let us share this live stream. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me hear you say yeah. Big. Okay, all right. 2K likes. So at the moment, we are running in profit at the moment for the week. So we have 2 trades that we took for this week now at the moment, which is yesterday. One of it was SL yesterday, and the other one that I posted later in the day, later in the around evening time, it hit our TP, and that TP was about 2.61. So we are in profit at the moment, running at the moment. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully this week is actually going to be good. Hopefully this week is going to be good as well. Okay, let's get to 2K. It remain 100. All right, 2K now. Okay, thank you. Okay, so good morning, everybody. You are welcome. You are all welcome. All right. This was the trade that we took yesterday, and I'm looking forward to long this guy again. Please let us tap and share this live stream. Let's tap and share this live stream. I'm looking forward to long this guy. Let's check the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. This was where market reject from. This guy, he rejects from here. You see the way it tap around here. So I hope this guy can actually push up to this guy, to the extreme here. Okay, which is our DR. I hope this guy can push to this DR. Okay, I hope he can push to that DR. And if you check where market is actually reversing from our fib level, from this low to this high. Okay, as you can see, market is using the what? The golden zone area here. Market is using the golden zone area. Guys, let's start now. What's going on? Eh? Why are we having no turnout this morning? What's going on? Only 7 people here. Where are our families now? Where are they? What's going on? Mr. Henry, good morning. What's up? How you doing? All right, let's continue. So, I want to see more push to the upside. So let's check the 4 hours. Now, the 4 hours, here we go. You see this area, this resistance level. I want market to break it. If I have a proper break, we wait for a nice pullback, maybe back to this level or to this guy, then we long again from that point. Okay, that is what I'll be waiting for on this guy to just break above, pull back, then we continue looking for a buy opportunity. Okay, we continue looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, so that is that for this one actually. Okay, V50. Let's check V50. So V50, we talked about this guy yesterday, and I actually want this guy to pull up to this level so that we can sell to this area with confirmation. With confirmation, I want market to push up to this guy to give us a nice rejection from that point, which is here, so that we can engage for a sell. That's what I'm actually waiting for. So market is actually pushing up at the moment. So let's see how far we can go with this. So I have bias on V. Is it V50? What is V50? V101S. V101S. I have bias there. Okay. I'm looking forward to sell from this guy. I'm looking forward to sell from here. If market can give me a nice confirmation, okay, we're gonna be looking for selling opportunity from that level. Okay, our market is actually approaching nicely. So I've put alert there already. Let's go to 4 hours. You see this one I want to use on 4 hours. I'm using the fresh zone right there on these 4 hours. Okay, I'm using this area for my entry on this 110S. And look at the beautiful trend line I draw. Can you see the trend line from here? A touch here, a touch here, a touch here. I want to have another touch. Then I want market to push down massively. Look at the way market has been breaking structures here. Okay, it break this significant low. Okay, so this is the low that we want market to come and break now. So this one is internal break that happened right here. Okay, so I want to see market push up here and come and break this external that we have around here. Okay, so we are trying to follow the trend of the market. Okay, I'm trying to follow the trend of the market. So let us go to daily. All right, so this is the daily time frame. Okay, where is this guy reacting from? He's actually reacting from the fair value guy that we have here, but I still wanted to push down to this guy. It's actually not done with this push. Let us go to the weekly. On weekly, you realize that we have a break from this resistance level that becomes support. Okay, let me zoom. Let's confirm maybe market broke it. Now look at that. You see that market break that zone. You see the way market breaking with this candle. It broke it to the downside. So we want to see more push to the downside. So at least to this WS. So we are expecting more push to the downside. Because from here, what market gave us here was from this other block here. Okay, market give us this high inducement leg, it give us another higher high. So one market to push all the way down, and this is where we have our what change of character to the upside. I mean a break of structure. Yeah, change of character to the upside, because a change of character happened here to the downside. So it happened again to the upside. Okay, so from here I'll be looking forward to long this guy around here. I'll be looking forward to long this guy around this level. Okay, so let us see what is actually going to happen today if we are able to take a trade from that point. So let's go back to our 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on our 4 hours time frame, hopefully market can actually use this area and reject. Babe, did you stay on it? Are you still connected? So let's see what is actually going to happen. Okay, so please let's start. So which trade do you want us to check this morning? We have some. Okay, we have 51s here. I think these are the one we checked yesterday. 51s. Okay. Let's go to weekly. What is our bias here? If I can remember, let's see. Please let us stop and share this live stream. Okay, this is our weekly time frame. Let me see the monthly, the 3 months. Okay, monthly time frame. All right, I actually want to see more drop, more sell. Okay, on weekly. Okay, on weekly, so we have a change of character to the upside here. The market give us equal low right here. This is an equal low. Market give us an equal low, but eventually later break down and give us another lower low right here. So if market can actually push up and reject from that place to the downside, all right, that is what I want to see. I want market to reject from that area and start dropping again. So why are we having this rejection when we have this long week? Why are we having this rejection here? Let us confirm. Okay, we have a virgin girl here beneath here. Can you see where it's hiding? That is our weekly support, WS. Okay, so market is reacting from this level. All right, but I still want to see market push lower from that point. Okay, so let's move to the current market. Okay, so as you can see, that is where market is actually rejected from. This particular bearish candle, it reject from that point, and now it gives us an indecision candle. Okay, and if we look at this R, we have this daily support here, which is aligned with this weekly support. So let us now go to daily. Let's go to daily. So yeah, here we go. So this is equal low that happened here, this low and this low. But eventually market later did what? It broke this low. It broke this guy. down to this level. You see the way market breakage. Okay, you see the way market break that zone. All right, so we already have a break to the downside. And market give us a what? A lower high here. We have this lower high. Okay, so I don't expect market to come and create another higher high. I want it to reject from around this area and give us another what? Lower low to the downside. Okay, to reject to the downside. That is what I actually want to see. Okay, that is what I actually want to see. Okay, so let's zoom. Now this guy, where is it coming from? It's not even reacting from here. It didn't react from here. Let's confirm. It didn't react from here as well. So I'll be checking from the 4 hours from that zone. But what I can see here is market is trying to give us an head and shoulder here. This is a head, this is a shoulder, and this is another shoulder that market is actually creating at the moment. So there's possibility that we might have head and shoulder from there. Okay, there's possibility that we might have head and shoulder, but the way this bullish candle is printing to the upside, I don't actually expect this, because market has already created what? A resistance level here. These two bullish and bearish candle, this resistance level, we already have that. Okay, so I don't expect this guy to actually push to this level. I don't know where it's actually going to. Okay, I don't actually know where it's going to, and at the moment it's giving us a kind of equal low, not actually equal low, because this low is actually lower than this. If we change it to line chart, you will see. Now, can you see? It's lower than this guy. Okay, so let's go back to the weekly. Let me see what is going on that weekly before we continue. Okay, so let me take away this and let us mark this weekly support. You see this weekly support here? Let us mark it. This is our what? Weekly resistance level. That is our weekly resistance level. Boom. Okay, that is our weekly resistance level. So how many rejections do we have there? We have one, two rejections. Okay, so now let's not go to daily. Let us see the alignment that we have another point. Okay, so there we go. All right, so we have a resistance level above here. Okay, let me mark that zone. Please, let's start this guy. Guys, let's stop. Hold on, seriously, guys. I'm not enjoying you guys again. No, I swear to God. Seriously, you guys are not trying again at all. If I didn't say let's tap, you guys will not tap. Why now? Why now? Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. All right, so here we go on 4 hours time frame. Okay. Okay, there's probability that market might still push up to this resistance level. Okay, there's probability that market will push up to that area before it start dropping. All right, and I have this trend line. Let me draw this trend line from this point. All right, so this is our 40. Okay, that's our 40. If market can reject where it is right here, it's going to make a lot of sense. Okay, but what we have here, this is a nice support area. And if you check closely, you will realize that market created a lower low from that point. Look at this area, this support. Can you see the way market break it below? It break that zone below, creating another what? Another lower low from that area. Another lower low from that area. So there's possibility that market might actually give us some rejections from here and start dropping. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case is we'll go to 1 hour. If I see any sell momentum from that point, we are going to sell. Now this is our 1 hour. This is our 1 hour. What do we have here? We have a kind of triple eyes here. Okay, triple eyes right there. So there's probability that we might have a what? A drop to the downside. There's probability we might have a drop. And look at the way market is rejecting from that beautiful trend line. Okay, look at the way market is rejecting from the trend line. Okay, let us zoom. Look at the sweep that took place here. Look at the sweep that took place here. This candle sweep this candle. So let me see if we have a break. Now look at this area as well. Market is not breaking this 1 hour resistance level. This guy. Market is not breaking here, which is our 1HR. All right, which is our 1HR. So I might be selling this guy. Yeah, I might be selling this guy from where it is. From where it is. This is nice. So let us go back to 4 hours. We might be taking a sell on this. We might be taking a sell on this. So this 4 hour is going to close in few minutes. In less than 29 minutes, this candle is going to close. It's going to close. But if market should break this resistance level, then that is a sign that market is likely to start pushing to the upside. So you just need to be very, very careful with this trade. Let's see the daily time frame again with this trade. So if we engage here, we put our SL. Assuming you can put our SL above here, it could have made sense, but this is going to be very volatile. It's going to be very, very volatile. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. Please, let's stop. Okay. Let's go to 1 hour. Please, let's stop and share. Let me see the 15 minutes from here. Okay, market give us a sweep of this eye. Do we have a sweep? Okay, we don't have a sweep. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use this 15 minutes to do our final confirmation. So our final confirmation I want to see now is, you see the market has given us what? A higher high. We have a higher low, higher high, and it created the resistance with this beautiful rejection. So I will want market to give us this before we engage. All right, to break below this guy first. After breaking, then we engage from the 50% level, then we sell. This is the only thing we're going to do. So market have to break this, pull up and pull up and give us a sell. All right, to give us our final confirmation on this. Okay, to give us our final confirmation. We're not just going to engage like that. You have to break this recent low here on 15 minutes before we engage. So that is what we're gonna do. Okay, this low, you have to break below, okay, and give us a pullback. So let me see if I can add a lot. Please, let's start. If I can add a lot. Okay, so a lot is being created there. So let us be patient with this and see. That is for 15 1s. Okay, so that is for 15 1s. All right, please let's start. So which pair do you want us to check again, family? Which pair do you want us to check? 75. Okay, V75. Yeah, we took a trade on V75 yesterday that gave us SL. That was our first SL for the week before we came back in profit again. That is our first SL. So this is the trade. Yesterday, I actually want to take another buy here. You see this level? I want to take another buy here yesterday. Seriously. You see that I put arrow here. I think that was after the live stream. I saw this. I said, okay, this is the right time to engage. And now it's giving us the opportunity again to engage. And guess what? We are going to engage on this buy. I'm banking on this because I'm still confident in this buy. Let's go to 4 hours. I am still confident in this buy. The only thing is just that we're going to make sure our SL is below this low. That is the only thing we're going to be doing right here. Okay. And now this is 4 hours time frame. Okay, so it has created another low here. Market created a lower high here, which this high is lower than this. All right, and now we have another low here which market can actually use as what? Inverse head and shoulder. So now on 1 hour time frame, if you take this 1 hour, you realize that market push up. Look at that. We have a break from this zone, change of character to the upside. It created this lower high. It came all the way down, reacting from this guy at the moment. Okay, you see the way it reacts, respecting the trend line. So we're going to be taking a buy and we'll make sure that our SL is beneath here. Then we push to the upside. So that's what we're going to do on this trade. I'm going to bank on this one again. Just like this, what was the trade? What was the trade? Is it V25? Is it V25? Yes, just the way we missed this one now. You know, we took a buy on this one over the weekend. Okay, over the weekend. Why this thing they do like this? So over the weekend, we took a buy, then we later delete the trade, and now we took a buy, a pending order yesterday, which we've already deleted this trade. We deleted it. I told my guys this morning to delete it because market has left us. All right, so I'm deleting this one now here. Market left us. Market left us. We could have been in a massive buy. So now we will not let this one to pass us by. This 75 again. We're not going to let it to pass us by. Please, let's start. Because market is beginning to give us that kind of format again, like a pennant. Okay, that is what market is trying to give us here. So we're going to go on long position here. Okay, we make sure that our SL is just here. Now, thank God it's not that volatile. Okay, it's not that volatile. Make sure your SL is just right there. So we give it more room to do whatever it wants to do. So we use this same target, this same zone here for a target. Okay, so you can bank on this now. You can engage for the buy right now. You can engage for a buy right now. Let me just bring this here. So this is our third trade for the week. Our third trade for the week. We are running in profit at the moment. We had SL and we have TP. So we are running in profit on our VIP at the moment for this week running now. So if you want to join our VIP, the VIP is $20 to join. Okay, so let me post this one right now. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. So I want to post this V75. Let's tap. V75. V75. Long now. Apply proper risk management. Okay. Let us start and share this live stream. So just take your buy on it. Take your buy. Copy. Bring the other one for me. Stop now. Bring the other one for me. Okay, so this one is being posted right now. So it remained free Telegram group. Let's stop. It's actually very cool on what is it called? On YouTube. Very cool. Very cool on YouTube. Very cool on YouTube. V75. 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 Use 1 to 3 reach to the word, yeah. Don't do more than 1 to 3. If you don't want that, then I use Sabi. Okay, it's being posted right now on the free Telegram group. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, okay, the link is on my bio. So do well to join us every day, 9 a.m. We are here today again. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday, anytime. We live stream both YouTube and TikTok now. So if you want to join our VIP, it's $20. Then 2 weeks subscription is $10. All right. Then if you want to go for mentorship group class, $50. Then online one-on-one is $100. Okay. So now let's go ahead. So we have a running trade now on V75. Let me bring it up to our running trade. Move up to running trade. Okay. So there we go. So we are on this buy. What's going on? Oh shit. Oh my god. I need to do this thing again in shit. I need to go and copy the price. I need to copy the price. So what was the price again? How are you doing? Hey, I'm doing well, my brother. What's up now? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. What's up? So the price there is 47,824.11. 47,824.11. 47,824.11. 47,824.11. 47,824.11. 824. Then what was the TP? This 25. Okay, I'm coming, sir. I'm coming. I'm coming. Not be patient. 55,205. 82. 205, 82. Hmm. 20582. Boss, do you trade BTC? Yes. 20582. But I'm not trading it at the moment. 20582. 20582. Okay. So we are on buy on this one at the moment. So let's see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can go. Please let us start and share this live stream. Let us start. Let us start. Let us start. So somebody said V25. V25 was a trade that we are supposed to bank on, but market did not tap us in. So market did not tap us in here. We've deleted the order already. Okay, we've deleted the order, so there's nothing we can do here at the moment. Okay, so which one do we have here again? So somebody is asking for BTC. Let us go analyze the BTC. I'm not going to be taking trade on BTC. I can trade you guys. I can only just analyze it for you guys. BTC.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, make your
so what was our bias? What is the weekly bias? Okay, the weekly bias was a buy. You see that? I told you that I should be looking for buying opportunity on BTC, and market actually push up, it pushed down, now it's pushing up again, so it has actually pushed down now. So let us see. Let me analyze it for you guys. Let's go to daily. I told you should be looking for more buys. Weekly first. Let me see the weekly. Okay, I told you should look for more buys to this our WR. This WR. That is why I said you should look for your buy too. Okay, so on daily time frame, let's check the daily. Now this is the daily. All right, at the moment, is market rejecting from here? Let us check. Boom. Did market reject from this area? Okay, it did not reject. It actually give us a break. Market give us a break from that point. Yeah, it give us a break from here, and now it's actually dropping. And I realized that market reject from this guy twice, which is our DS. Okay, market rejected from that point twice. So let's take away this one. So we know that market is ready to start pushing to the upside. And we have this long wick, which is rejected from this same DS. Okay, so now let us go to 4 hours and see the structure and see alignments from that point. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, market is giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low. It break this low to the downside. You get from here. Now it give us another new higher high. So giving us another new higher high. All right. Let us mark out a fib level from this long wick here to this high. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. So this is a good zone area where I expect market to start pushing back from. Okay. BTC coming to this support, it might not actually do that. It might not actually do that. Okay, what market is actually using now is this resistance level. It's giving us rejection from it. This guy is rejecting from that point. So let us see the 1 hour. So from where market is at the moment, if you see a buy structure, just look for buying opportunity. Now look at this. Look at this, our resistance that becomes what? That becomes support area. So this is our what? Our 1 hour support area, 1HS. Okay, and there is a big fair value gap here. Alright, this is a big imbalance that we have around here. And market has gotten back to what? To the 50% from this range, from this high and this low. Market came back to the 50%. Okay, so now from where market is now is actually good for a buying opportunity. Let me see this trend line from this point. Let me see what I have here. Please, let's tap. Okay, this is not too good. Let me look for another good structure here. That's not gonna be good. Okay, good. This is a nice trend line from there. That is one T. Okay, that is a nice trend line from that point. Okay, from this side we have a break. It gives us rejections, another rejections. Then we have a break back again, and market is giving us another nice rejection from here. So anything from here, you should be looking forward to buy. Anything from here, be looking forward to buy. Anything from that point. If you see a nice structure giving you like a change of character to the upside, just take a buying opportunity. Do you understand? Just look for buying opportunity from this zone. Okay, this is BTC on 1 hour. BTC on 1 hour. From where market is, look for opportunity to long BTC from here. Not breaking from this trend line. Okay, so that is my simple bias on this guy. So that is the bias for this. So which one do you want me to check again, please? Which one do you want me to check? Which one do you want me to check? Step index, GBP USD, V15. Okay, V15 then GBP USD. Let's check V15 then GBP USD. V15, where is it? 151S. Oh my god. Yeah, so this was the guy I said I actually want you to. Now, this 1 hour candle is giving us a kind of bearish engulfing. Okay, so I want market to give me a break from this 15 minutes first to give us a confirmation for a sell. Can you see that? I want it to break this low, break below, then give me a lower high, then we bank on it. So that is the bias on this. Okay, so I've already put alerts here. If market gets here, we are going to be alerted. Okay, don't worry. We go no. Please let us start. Let me adjust this my lights. Okay. Yeah. So let's check GBP USD. What is my bias that I told you guys? I told you should look for buy. That is when I was doing the weekly bias. I told you that from here you should be looking for buy. You know, I said this one yesterday on the live stream. That is why you see this arrow. Can you see the arrow from this point? I said from here that you should be looking for what? Buying opportunity. Can you see? That was the arrow, right? Pointed to the upside. So my bias for the week is to go for buy, but from that particular zone, I told you that that area is a nice place to bank on a buy. To bank on a buy. And why did I say so? If you check this area, you realize that market give us a push to this point. It give us this lower high. We have a break, lower low. Now market is what? Market has broke to the upside. It break this guy to the upside. So we expect it to use it as what? As inverse head and shoulder. They want to see push to the upside. Okay, they want to see push to the upside. So when I realized that this candle actually break above and is giving a rejection, I knew that yes, this guy is ready to start pushing to the upside. That is why I I use this arrow from this point that you can be looking forward to buy. And the Euro USD might not actually get to a zone where I want you guys to be buying from. Do you understand? So I'm going to go to Euro USD and I will show you now. So now it's actually good for buy. And if market gets to this area, you can begin to look for what a selling opportunity from this guy. That is with confirmation. With confirmation. So do your analysis properly from this GBP USD, from where it is. Let me go to 4 hours. Any strategy that you use at all, try to check. Okay, if you check this guy now from 4 hours, you realize that we have a sweep from this low, market break this high. You can actually push back to this other block and tap again and push, whereby it's going to be giving us a kind of what? A double bottom. Okay, the market can still come here and push up once more. So just do your proper analysis from that point and engage on a buy. So that is for that. So the Euro USD, let me see the zone I marked yesterday. Let's check together. Aha, you see the way I put the arrow. So I was expecting market to push, and you only push to this level, and now it's trying to push up. Let us mark the fib level from this guy to this guy to this high. You see, it's actually using the what? The golden zone area to react. Okay, so now let me help you with this. If you want to bank on Euro USD, allow market to break this high, to break this guy to the upside, then wait for what? A pullback and engage for a buy. And engage for a buy. And if you are taking any trade on currency pair, make sure you check the news. If there's NFP, if there's high impact news, please check. Please check. All right. So people are saying I should check silver. Me, I know they trade silver. Not this one way that they talk silver. I don't know what you guys are doing on silver. You guys just like to do something that is going to blow your account. Just like to go to a place that is likely to blow account, and I don't know. It's left for you, Sha. Let me analyze for you. Let me clear the charts. So this is silver and this is 3 months. Market is actually bullish. Okay, market is bullish, and we have this bearish candle, which is the last candle before this one that is printing now. So let us go straight to monthly. Let's see the structures. Good morning, Jeremiah. How are you, sir? What's up now? So what happened here was when we have a drop to this guy, market consolidates here. This is what they call a bearish rectangle. It dropped again. So it might actually still consolidate here again before we have a drop to the downside or we have a pullback. Okay, so where market is at the moment, market can consolidate. It can actually consolidate, okay, before it's going to decide to wherever it wants to go to. So market has taken out this week, this shadow. All right, let's check the weekly so that we can have a clear this thing. All right, so this is weekly. So I actually want this guy now to push back to this guy before market can start doing anything it wants to do. It should still push down to this level. Okay, so this guy is going to be the weekly support area. Okay, so we expect market to push down to this guy. Okay, this is the structure from here where market give us this low. We have lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, equal high. It dropped, giving us a M pattern. It break this external, right? It break it. So now market is trying to do some little pullback. I want to see market drop again. Because if you check the momentum of this movement from this high, is a very nice momentum. It was only here The market give us an indecision. It was because of this area. That is why we have this indecision candle. And market later did what? It later break below. This candle to a massive drop. It was this one that give us a nice push to the upside. Okay, so from here, I want to see market start dropping from that area because silver is actually bearish at the moment, and we have a target for it right here. So this is the weekly right now. Let's not beat it. So now let's go to daily. All right, so beautiful. So this is the daily, right? So from here we have this support area where market eject from, and now it's giving us what? A reaction. Market has not actually got it to that point. That is a DR. But I want to believe the market has reject. Do you know the reason why I say I want to believe that? Broker, because of broker. This broker now is showing that it has not actually gotten there. And if you check some broker, you realize that we've already have that rejection. So if you confirm we have the rejection from there, my brother, be looking for what? Selling opportunity. Be looking for selling opportunity. And look at the way market give us a jump. We have a jump here, and we have another jump here. We have double jump. Okay, so if you check, if you confirm from another broker, maybe we have what a rejection from here, then you should be looking for selling opportunity, nothing else. So mark your fib level from this high to this low.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, make your music
Okay,
with you.
look at the 50% level. Market has not gotten to the 50% level. It remains small. All right. So if market never rejects from here, my brother, allow the market to push back very well before you start looking for the sell. That is, you need to check other broker, because this broker that I'm using is Forex. So you might have a rejection from other broker, but if you are not having rejection, allow the market to still give you a kind of push to the upside. So 4 hours. So I will not advise you to be looking for buy, just be looking for selling opportunity. Look for what? Sales opportunity. And I have this beautiful trend line here. Okay, from this guy, let us connect from here. Okay, look at that. So, and with this trend line, you realize that you still have a room to do what? So allow the market to come back here properly, give us a change of character, then you sell. Okay, then we sell from that point. So this is going to be my bias for you from this area. You're looking for selling opportunity. The market can come back here, give us what? A break to the downside, then you start selling. So that is for silver. All right, so I will advise you to be patient with it, allow you to push up properly, it's filled the zone. Okay, somebody said it has filled the zone. If market has actually filled the zone, then be looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so that is that for silver. So which pair again? Let us check our running trade. Which pair again? Please let us share this live stream and tap. Okay, so this is the trade that we took now. Okay, all right, so this our 4S, this 4S, I want market to give us a kind of inverse head and shoulder. That is the shoulder and this is the head, to give us another shoulder right here again. Okay, to push down and start pushing to the upside. So let us see what is actually going to happen on this trade. By the moment, this week we are running in profit at the moment, and today is Tuesday. Hopefully we might still squeeze ourselves out from this week with another good profit. This is the 10th week. Yes, 10th weeks now. 9 weeks no loss. This is the 10th week. Let us see, maybe you can set a record for 3 months. If I set a record for 3 months without having a record of, drawdown at the end of the week, it's going to be massive for me, man. It's going to be massive for me because I've not done that before. Even though 2 months, I've not done 2 months before. In between the 2 months, I will have at least maybe 1 or 2 weeks that I record a loss. The only time that we wanted to record a loss was last 3 weeks now, not 2 weeks again. Last 3 weeks. We nearly closed the week with a loss, but we end up closing it with profits. It doesn't matter, maybe now 1% we close them, at least we close in profits. We know they on drawdown, say, come blue accounts. So come blue accounts. So you can imagine that. Yeah, it was last 2 weeks. Okay, yeah. That week was crazy. Market show us pepper small, no be small. Hey, Morake, what's up? He show us pepper. Market show us pepper. He show us pepper. He show us pepper. But we no agree. Please, let's stop. Bello Junior, what's up? Morning, sir. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. I said that you are analyzing sliver. Who is trading sliver?
Now one of our brother here say make we analyze. I can't analyze that for him.
No, sliver is also more more volatile than even gold, sir.
Yes, now I know now.
Because of the spread. That is because of the spread that is more volatile than this. Because most of the brokers, their spread are not like blue gold.
Yeah.
So it's more volatile. I know they near himself.
I've ever since I've been trading, I've never touched it before in my life.
The only time I traded sliver was just capping. I immediately I see $15 just close.
You come out.
I come out. I don't want wahala.
I've never tried.
It's the spread that will keep on taking you out, sir.
You see now.
No matter how good the broker is, the spread is not like good. And it moves this. You know that says silver and gold move the same way.
Yeah.
Dropping, gold will later drop. Yes.
Gold will
silver
later
will drop
drop.
first before gold.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't trade it at all.
It's just because of the spread. That's why people don't concentrate on silver.
On silver.
Yes.
I don't. Please let us start and share this live stream. People on the YouTube, please let us share. How can I boost this YouTube? How can I boost it? Guys, make sure you subscribe. Make a subscribe.
I think the only way we can use to boost it is for us to use only YouTube for a day.
Yes.
2 days. You don't use TikTok.
I thought of it.
TikTok, you go to.
I swear, I thought of it. That maybe
so that everybody will go. Everybody have to go to that place.
We go to that place. Yes, that's what I'm thinking about now. So maybe what I'll be doing is I will be doing it 2 times in a week.
Yes.
Like maybe Tuesday and Thursday.
That thing gets to like 40 or 100 views, then you can now start using both.
Yeah.
Yes, by that time people have spread this thing.
Yeah.
People have spread it.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe that's what I'll be doing. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and I use only YouTube tomorrow. So guys, if you agree with what I said, maybe I should be using just 2 times. That will focus only on YouTube in a week. What do you feel? And seriously, I even like the YouTube. Why? Because everybody will be seeing the screen is very sharp. Nothing like say this thing is very cool there. Very cool there. Please let's stop and share.
Please, if you are true, let me rinse my plate and spoon.
Let's stop. 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 This guy still wanted to push up before it start dropping. I wanted to push up before it will start dropping. So which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check? We have 15S here. 51S. Okay, so this 51S is actually giving us that kind of. It wants to drop from there. Let me see the 15 minutes. But it never break. That's just it. It never break. It never break. And I don't want us to do what is it called? Let me see the 1 hour. This guy might drop from where it is. So I love the way this 1 hour reject from there. This guy might drop from where it is. Let me see the 4 hours. Let's check the 4 hours. Now the 4 hours give us this bullish candle. Okay, it has given us this bullish candle. Breaking above these two eyes. Okay, breaking above them. Breaking above them. And now we have equal lows here. This guy is lower than this. This low is lower than this. Let me see the daily. I just want to be very, very careful on this trade because it is sell I'm actually looking for, and I don't want to do anything more than sell here. Nothing more than sell. Okay, we are going to bank on this. We are going to bank on this now. Okay, we have a daily resistance here. This resistance. I want to see market reject from this resistance. By the time we take our sell, this candle could have closed below this guy, then we just see it keep dropping to the downside, and we are going to use this low as our full target. Yes, so I love what I'm seeing on this daily. Okay, so now let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so guys, let us bank on this right now. I don't need to wait for that break, another 15 minutes. Let us risk this and take this trade. You know, sometimes as a trader, I just need to take some decisions and boom, let's move. Okay, sell. V51S confirmed a sell position right now. 51S, okay, good. All right, make sure that our SL is right here. Put your SL right here. It's selling, it's dropping. Okay, I told you sell right now. Let me put our TP. I don't want to use this low. I want market to come and take this low out. This low, actually, to take it out down to this guy. Yes, we are taking it all the way down. Please, let's stop. Take your sell on this guy. Take your sell on this guy. I will try and be fast as SL is going to be here. And be ready for this SLO. Risk what you can afford to lose. Have it in mind that this trade is going against us. Zero your mind that this trade is going to hit our SL. That is how you should do it. Zero your mind that this trade is going to hit our SL. Don't say this trade is going to hit TP. Say this trade is going to hit our SL. That is going to guide you on what you are going to risk on this. If you don't have the money, don't take the trade. Do you understand that? Let me quickly go and post this one now on our VIP at the moment. Share. Delete this. Delete. Okay, come out. Okay. Save. Please, let's tap and share. Okay, so let me go and post this now. What's the PSF? V what? V51S. V51S. Let's tap and share. Watch as I go, watch as I go, watch as I go, watch as I do my thing. Let's get ready for another SL. We are getting to SL today. V51S. V51S. Please, let's start. V51S. Short now. Apply proper risk management. Okay, give me a minute. Let me bank it here too. Okay, I bank. Let me be fast on this one as well. God. Let us get ready for another SL right there. Another SL right here. Let's go. This is how you can, you can build your psychology. Use 1 to 3 on this. People on the free Telegram group, please always follow instruction. I beg of you, follow instruction. All right, let's do this, guys. Let's tap and share. Let's go. So it has been posted on the free Telegram group right now. Ready for the SL. Ready for 2 SL today. If you don't like SL, you don't need to join my live stream. If you don't want to be chopping SL, you better don't join my live stream again. Calling show the SL Master. So we have 2 trade running, V51S and V75. Okay, so they said we should check V75 1S and 91S. Okay, we're gonna be checking both. Don't worry. We're gonna be checking both. Okay, so this is here. Please let us tap and share this live stream. Let's tap. Let's get to 20k likes. See, I don't want this love emoji to stop now, guys. Come on. I don't want this love emoji to stop. If you guys give me 1k likes, it's not bad now. 1k likes, and we have 38 people here watching. 1k likes, it's not bad. So now we are on sell on this. Let's go. Let's roll. Whoa. Another SL loading. I never put my SL. Make I put my SL. Let me put my SL. 12373. 517. Okay. V75 1S. All right, let's check. 75 1S. What's going on there? What is going on there? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What's this? What's going on? We never analyze this. Okay, let's quickly talk about this, guys. On 3 months, right? 3 month time frame. Let's check 3 months. Let's check 3 months. Okay, so we have a high here. Market give us this higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and market is coming to this resistance level at the moment. So that is going to be the target. Okay, so that is the zone we're just going to mark. We are concerned about the zone the market is likely to get to, which is here. So this is our 3MR. Okay, that is the 3MR right there. So let's zoom. As market mitigates it, no, not yet. It's still approaching. So we still have a room to take our buy from there. So now monthly time frame, as you can see, look at the alignment that we have monthly. Can you see the alignment right here? You see the resistance. We have a resistance here that has been mitigated. We have another one here that has been mitigated. We have another one here that has been mitigated. So there's possibility that market is going to do what? That is going to drop from this level and drop massively to the downside. Okay, so before we even begin to talk about the sell, all right, let us talk about the what? The buy. Now, this is the W pattern the market created. This is where the legs start from. It push down. It give us net 9. It give us what? Equal low right here. Equal low right here. And now, market give us a push to the upside, straight to this leg that formed the W pattern. All right. So when market break this net 9, it did not even give us a rejection. It nearly gave us a rejection, but market did not before we have the push. Okay, so now let us talk about the buy from here to this zone. Now we go straight to weekly. So this is weekly. Look at the way this weekly close, right? Look at the way this kind of close. I want to see this kind of push up again. So we go straight to daily. We are looking for buy. Just a short buy. So here we go. So this is daily. As you can see, market break from here, this resistance to the upside. So we can't just expect market to start dropping like that. You have to get to this zone. All right. So let me quickly reduce this. Our it's far. Kai. Where are you? This 3MR. Come back here. Don't go too far. Just stay here like that. Maintain your level right here. So let's zoom. Okay, so we want to see market do a little pullback. All right. Then we go to 4 hours. We're going to take this trade maybe from 15 minutes. So this is our 4 hours. Let us see the structure. Beautiful. Somebody say beautiful. Now we have this support level right here. We have our support level right here, which is our word 4S. Beautiful. So from this support area, market give us a push to the upside, giving us what? Equal highs. The market created another support here, giving us a long week. This long week, we're going to see another opportunity on 1 hour 15 minutes. And market give us what? A higher high. And a push down. We want to see a push to the upside. Please, let's stop. So now, what market is trying to do now is trying to give us a what? A rising wedge. But we're going to see it clearly on 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour right now. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the rising wedge I'm talking about, right? So let us mark the, let us use the channel. You're going to see the channel. Please, let's stop. You're gonna see the channel I'm gonna use. I'm using this parallel channel, right? Let's use this. Now, pick it from here. Okay. Oh no. What's wrong with this one? Oh. Give me a moment. Oh. Come on, Joe. Let's go pick the channel again. Let's pick the channel again. All right. This is the channel. All right. So from here, mark it this way. Boom. All right. Then next time. Boom. Okay. Then boom. This is what they call it, what? A rising wedge. Beautiful. Beautiful. Somebody said beautiful. We have another opportunity to take this trade. Who's ready for this? Who wants to bank on this? Now let's go to 4 hours. Now look at the 4 hours. Like I told you, right? I said we have what? A support level right here. It give us a rejection, a push up, a push down again. Then 1 hour, we go to 1 hour. We look for a nice area right here. While we're having this rejection is actually coming from this guy right here. Beautiful. Another SL is loading. Oh my, we go chop this entire. Now we have this one, the chest right here. We go chop this entire for here. Who's ready for this? So now, what is market trying to do here? It's trying to what? Trying to create. He wants to manipulate people here. That's what it's trying to do. But guess what? Look at the way market is respecting the trend. I'm going to bank on this guy. So where are we going to put our asset? That's now what we need to talk about. Let us see the 15-minute first. Now, this is 15-minute time frame. Beautiful. Look at the support level here. We have a break to the upside. It gives us this high. Now it gives us this higher low. Now look at what market is doing at the moment. So this is we're going to put our SL right here. Oh my God. Now, first thing I need to do is to confirm if this price is actually much. We are doing two things here. Please let us tap and share this live stream. See what we're going to do. I want somebody who can help me to check this price for me. If we go long here, and we put SL where SL is now, who can check this price for me, please? Who can quickly check? Who can do that? I know you guys will not be fast. You guys will not be fast. Let me do it myself. Let me minimize and check myself. So now the 5-1 is. Let's see, buy from here, SL. I swear it's not volatile. Wow. Guys, don't mind me. Sometimes I just need to be funny sometimes. It's not volatile. It's not volatile, but seriously, I don't like to. Oh God, this SM, man. Oh no. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let me see. Guys, engage on buy now. Engage on what? On buy right now. Engage 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 on buy right now. So V75 1S. V75 1S is the pair. V75 1S. Let me quickly post this. V75 1S. Please, let's start. V75 1S. I'm posting this now. V75 1S. Use 1 to 2 RR on this. So guys, if you want to join a mentorship, we have a group class 50, one-on-one online, 100. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to be enjoying. What is Forex? I teach you almost everything about Forex. Okay, so 3 times in a week, then 2 months program. So that's for that. And if you want to join us as we go live every day, we go live every 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, then weekend is Saturday and Sunday is going to be anytime. Okay, so here we have a section of talk to ratio, how to have control over psychology, challenges you're facing, how to stay consistent and be disciplined, so on and so forth. That is the section of talk to ratio. And what is my aim here is transforming you by becoming a profitable trader and receiving expert guidance through my live stream on YouTube and TikTok. Okay, so yeah, if you want to join our VIP, okay, our monthly subscription is $20, then 2 week subscription is $10. All right, maybe you want to see the nonsense thing we are doing on our VIP is $10 for 2 weeks. Monthly is $20, and so far so good for 9 weeks now. 2 weeks, 8, 9. Yeah, I think this is the 10th week now. I think so. Yeah. So over the 9 weeks now, we'll be having good weeks. There is no week that is actually bad. Okay, so which is not very bad for us, and I'm so delighted that I'm setting a new record for myself. So that is that for that. So let us go ahead with our trade. So now we have 3 trades that we took now. 3 trades that we took now. So V75 1S is being added. V75 1S, let me bring it up. You need to come to our running trade now. Come up, oh. Come up, oh. So we are banking on 75 1S for a buy. Our buy is pushing, and we are banking on V75 ordinary. Are we selling or buying? We are selling. Our selling is pushing. and we are banking on, what is the last one? On 75, which is actually pushing now. Okay, so these are the 3 trades that we are on at the moment. So we are banking on this as well. Please let us tap and share this live stream. You see, this one way we don't take today. We are not adding any position. We are not engaging on any trade again. We are going to analyze markets and prepare for tomorrow. But today, we are not going to take any trade again. So we have 3 trades running. All right, but we're going to analyze other pairs and see what we have. One of the trade that we wanted to take yesterday, it left us behind. One of the trade give us SL, and one of the trade give us TP. So we are running in profit at the moment. At the moment, we are running in profits. We are running in profits. God is always at our side. We have setbacks, we do have setbacks, but we always come back. And we'll be coming back for the past 9 weeks. Coming back in profits for the past 9 weeks in a row. I'm still waiting for that week that we are going to chop that SL. I'm still waiting for that week. We need to chop it. It was that last 2 weeks I thought we were going to chop that SL. That last 2 weeks. It was very terrible. Monday, Tuesday, SL back to back. And we eventually come back with little profits. The profit was little as 1%. But at least we had us something on our account.
With premium, you get to focus on the
Imagine now profit with the trade. Go down past the profit, you go down cash out from the profit. That is why, see, if you are not making money, that means you are struggling with your risk management. You are struggling with risk management if you are not making money. Why go enter trade and I no put SL for this our last trade? What's wrong with me? I enter trade and no put SL and TP. And it's because and because of now, God of mercy. Oh yeah, Lord Jari. Where are you now? I never put SL and TP. I just enter. I no put. Oh my goodness. Okay. 656870. 696324. 696324. Okay, let's go. This is what they call a rising wedge. If you don't know, man, you need to know now. This is what they call a rising wedge. Many people are still struggling because they have no trading plan and they don't use good proper risk management. They just use a random lot size, which is not making sense. Using a random lot size, so it doesn't make sense. Buying TP. Hey, I saw a message now, I didn't get it. Jesus, from YouTube. Please, let's tap and share. Give me a minute. Please, let's stop. I want to check something here. If you haven't followed me, please make sure you follow. And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Hey, Rosho, I greet you. Food lovers, I greet you. Feel free to join our free Telegram group. But our VIP is $20. For monthly subscription. Then the 2 weeks is $10. And the mentorship is open back again. For group class, $50. Then for one-on-one is $100. Guys, I'm looking for somebody that is going to invest too. I'm looking for a big investor that has that has money. When I say somebody have money that can invest. I want to scale up seriously. I want to scale up. I want to scale up. How far the copy trading? Yes. I will start the copy trading maybe by next week. I dey try gather the money, so that's what's going on. I want to start with $1,000. I want to start with $1,000. So I dey gather the money. So maybe by next week we're going to do the copy trading. Please let us start.
Let us start.
So this is how it looks like on YouTube. You see that on YouTube? Very, very okay. Very, very okay on YouTube right there. So maybe tomorrow, I'll be streaming only on YouTube tomorrow. So everybody, now go join us for there. Only on YouTube tomorrow. Only on YouTube. So I will stream on TikTok, but what I will do is I will just use TikTok for camera. I will just put it on my face only. That's what I will do on TikTok. So if you want to see the screen, you go to YouTube and see it there. So please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, please. Subscribe. I love it here on YouTube. It makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Please, let's start. Julie say yes, we are here. We are here. So V75 1S, V15. Is pushing nicely. One thing about our YouTube is you can increase the quality. The quality will be very, very sharp if you increase it. And it's very okay like that. One thing about our YouTube. So which pair are we going for again? we are not adding any trade though, but just to analyze so that we know what we will be doing tomorrow. So this 75, is it actually pushing well now? Let's check. Okay, this guy is still on our drawdown. Okay, I actually wanted to use this head and shoulder. Let me even mark it out. This inverse head and shoulder. I think it's on 4 hours. Okay, yeah, it's on 4 hours. V50. Okay. This is your shoulder here. This is the head here. Then I want to see another shoulder right here. So market should just come here and push up. So market should just come down and push up. V50. Okay. So this is the V50. Our bias is for market to come to this area so that we can engage. But market has not gotten to that area, which is this one on HR. Okay. Which is that one HR. If you go to 1 hour, you see now. So this is 1 hour. Okay. So this guy, I actually want market to push to that level. So this area has become an inducement area. This guy is an inducement area now, which is market break this low to the downside. So I want it to start pushing to this point and drop. Please, my people on YouTube, let us share the live stream. Let us share it to your friends. Share it, please. And my brothers and sisters here on TikTok, please let us share and keep tapping. All right, let's share and keep tapping. So we have 3 SL that is loading. So we expect 3 SLs on this our trades. So this particular trade will be giving us about 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3 weeks to the world. 1 to 3 weeks to the world. So send your request if you have any question. Maybe you are struggling. Send your request and let us talk. So I think on YouTube there's no way they can send requests or else they ask question on the comment box. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment box. I'm going to see it right here. Okay. Send your request and let us talk, guys. Send your request and let's talk. Sir, please don't say SL. Let's speak post. Let's speak positive. That's our treat. You say more they talk positive things. You see, if I'm not doing this, right? if I'm not doing this, people will like their psychology. People's psychology will not actually grow because people don't want to be seeing SLs. People don't want to be seeing SL. They don't want to be seeing market coming to their drawdown, and it's not possible. It's a big problem when they see market push to this zone and they see market doing this. It's a big problem for them. So that is why you need to prepare your mind for SLs. So any trade at all, no matter how sure that market is showing that yes, this guy is actually going to buy, you should have it in mind that this particular trade now SL straight. So by the time you want to engage on that trade, okay, by the time you want to engage, you will know what to risk. If you are having it in mind that this will be I want enter, so now SL, you will be very careful of what you will risk. You'll be careful. You will risk what you are supposed to, what you can afford to lose. Because by the time you are having it in mind that, this one na sure banker, na TP straight, my brother, you will go against your risk management. You are going to risk high based on that mindset. All this thing I'm saying is, I'm just trying to help you guys. It's not about me. If I'm trading personally, I don't say, oh yeah, this, because even if market going against me, I'm fine, I'm okay. My psychology have gotten to that level that yes, I don't have problem with that. I've already built my psychology to that level. So it is you that you need to understand that SL, you cannot escape it. Okay, you can imagine that I said it should be prepared for SL for this week. Last week, what did I say? Over the weekend, I said let us be prepared for the SL over the weekend, right? And guess what? We end the week with profit, and we'll be ending the week with profit for the 9 weeks, for 9 weeks in a row. And I keep saying, let us be prepared for the SL. Let us be prepared for the drawdown. Let us be prepared for this. So I'm actually helping you guys, and I think that's the best way, That's it. Nobody is a market pusher. We do have plenty of SLs, but on the long run, we still make money. Okay, yesterday we had one SL, we had one TP. We are running in profit at the moment, right? We are running in profit at the moment. So Julius, you will see more. You go say more SL is coming. Don't worry. More SL is coming. This guy, you see this trade? He might go up. He might go up. He might go up. People go down the fear now and say, hey, we should not talk to him. Let me close this trade. Don't close your trade. Allow your trade to run. Allow your trade, okay? So if you go to daily now, the main reason why I bank on this, after I draw my trend line, I see what is doing there, and 1 hour, I'm giving you reason why I engage on this one. Then 1 hour is giving us a nice rejection from here, okay, and it's giving me a bearish engulfing around there. And if you go to daily, okay, you will realize that we have a resistance level there, which is going to be giving us what, like a head and shoulder. Yeah, this is the head. We have what, shoulder, and we're going to be having another shoulder right here. So now if you look at this shoulder, market now created this resistance level. So this resistance level, I expect this bullish candle now to reject from this resistance level. So by then you see that we'll be in profit. You just see market dropping. Do you understand? So this is the reason why we bank on this trade. Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else. Nothing else. Please let us tap and share. Nothing else. Please let's tap. So send your request. If you have any question, let me see. And on YouTube, if you have questions, send your request. Well done, sir. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Please, let's start. Which pair do you want us to check? Let's stop and share. Let's stop and share. I'm coming.
Play the music the moment is calling for.
Let's stop.
Turning up a party or winding down to relax in the evening. Curate the day's soundtrack with ad-free music listening and offline downloads on Spotify Premium. Tap the banner.
So which way do you want us to check? I think we talk about tennis. We have a lot on tennis, right? Okay, yeah. Kai. And I don't talk and say I'm not going to have position. And this year I've been waiting for this since morning. I wanted to come up here so that we can. Come on. V50. Okay, we talked about V50 before. I want the V50 to push to this area so that we can bank on the sell. Yeah. Okay. So V75 is this. We are on this V75, my brother. Ari, we are on a buy on V75 here. We are on a buy. Okay, we're on a buy. So this is step index. This guy is actually bearish. But I was looking for opportunity for a buy around there. But look at the way this candle just break below this guy without giving any confirmation. So there's no buying opportunity here. Let's take all this one out. Okay. No buying opportunity. So let's go to monthly and see. So this is the monthly. So who remember this trade? This was the trade I said that we have in 1 year. We have 1 year. We have 2 year. We have 3 year. And we have 4 year. That I was asking you that which zone do you think we should use for the buy? Some people said 3, 2, 1, 4. Most people pick this 4. And I said yes, that we are going for the 4. You remember, right? So you see the way market is breaking below. So now it was actually reacting here yesterday. when we check. So this was the zone we are waiting for on this 4S, and this is monthly time frame. So this is the liquidity for it, right? This is the liquidity for it, guys. So now we expect markets to do what? To push down to this guy, give us an opportunity to buy from that area. So let's go to our weekly time frame now. Here we go on weekly. So we want to see more drop, and market is actually dropping massively. This is a massive drop. This is a massive drop. Okay, I expect this. I expect this. I expect this. I expect this. So let's go to daily. Let's see. For 4 hours. So at the moment, we cannot bank on this. We cannot engage on this. So we are going to be watching this. It's already pushing. Okay, one of my brothers sent this one to me on WhatsApp. I think he took a sell where market broke from this support. Okay, market broke from this support, and I think he took a sell position from this level. Okay, when it broke. I don't know, maybe he put SA here or he put it above. I don't know where he put it. So I think he's longing it at the moment. And I've already told him to just do break even on this. He shared the bias with me. And I said, yes, it's actually okay, because our bias was for market to push to this area, to this zone. So which is very nice for that sell. So we cannot back on it at the moment. Or else if market can actually push back, okay, to this area, give us some double top here, then we engage. Okay, then we engage on a sell. Okay, then we engage. So that is that for this. So we talk about which one did we talk about now? This is the step. Okay, V50. So let us check step. Let's check step together. Step index. All right. You know, I told you yesterday that our bias is to sell to this low that you're seeing here. That one market to get to this low, right? Now on daily time frame, look at the way market is dropping. It's dropping massively. Okay, it's dropping massively. There's no opportunity here again as well. So if market can, and this is what I said yesterday, that we need to wait till on Thursday. Yeah, I think on Thursday. Now what market did right here, when we have a drop here, it consolidates a bit here, and it drop again. So I want market to give us stuff like that and drop again. So if market give us stuff like that, we're going to be taking a sell from that consolidation another point. So that is that for this step. We have, let us check V10. Let's analyze V10. Please let us tap and share. Okay, it has been analyzed before. So I was expecting market to push back to this our 4 hour, but market is not actually coming there. Let's check the weekly. Oh yeah, this guide is to sell. Is to sell. Is to sell. Is to sell. Ah, is to sell. Look at the nice rejection, and now this resistance level. I hope market can just pull up and sell up again. So on daily, market is reacting from here now, which is our DS, is reacting from there now. Because if you look at what happened here, market give us a nice lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, market created this what? Higher high. This is an inducement leg. Okay, it creates another support level here before we have this push to the upside. So market coming back here, reacting from here, it can actually react from here, maybe to this level and sell off again. It can actually do that. Okay, so let's see if we can take this kind of risk. Let's see. But before we can bank on this candle have to close, and this is daily time frame. So if this guy close and it is rejected from this support, of course, we'll be going to 4 hours. We'll be going to 4 hours to what? Begin to look for opportunity for the buy. And now at the moment, market is giving us a what? It's giving us a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, he engulfs this body. Let us see, maybe he even engulf the wick. He did not engulf the wick, but he engulfed the body and give us a sweep from this low, and the market is giving us a what? A buying pressure. But before we can actually consider this as a buy, I want to see market do this before tomorrow. Then we embark on a buy. Okay, then we embark on a buy by tomorrow. So the daily candle have to reject first. If the daily candle doesn't reject, we are not going to bank on this. Okay, you have to reject. So that's it. So 75S. All right, big fresh. So this is 75 1S, big fresh. Are you on it, big fresh? What's your bias on it, big fresh? Okay, you analyze this one.
Bring the beats with Premium. Download and bring your music anywhere so you can dance to high quality music without hearing ads.
Please, let's start.
Mix up your playlist with song recommendations from Smart Shuffle, or take total control of your listening with unlimited skips and repeats. Experience music without limits. Tap the banner to get started.
Let's tap on share. Let's tap. So this is V75. Let us check the other ones, which is V15. So the 15 minutes broke. So what it's trying to do is trying to do a pullback. Okay, you see the way it broke this guy now? It has broken this guy. So he's trying to do a pullback for a continuation for the sell. So, and that is what I wanted to do before. That is my bias before that. Okay, before we can confirm the sell, I want to see a break. After the break, then give us a nice pullback, then we back on it. So let us hope that that is what this guy is about to do. Okay, so let's see. So if you are not on this trade, you can actually join us. We are selling this. We are on sale already. 151s. 151s. Okay. 151s. Then this one actually, the V75. She market no one use that zone. She come and mitigate now. Mitigate that zone now. Start pushing. Oh my goodness. So this was our SL, our first SL that we had. That's our first SL. And this is our TP 251s. So I'm looking forward to buy this guy, but it is tomorrow. I'm looking forward for a continuation for a buy. Continuation for a buy. So this was the one we took yesterday. And this gave us 2.61. I actually want to hold this guy here before. This is the initial target I want to use. And we are going to be having 6.39. But the reason I didn't do that was just because I have a zone below here. You see this zone here? It's actually coming from, I think, from daily or 4 hours. Let me see. Okay, from 1 hour. So because I have this guy, so I was thinking that market can actually use this eye. You see this eye? That was the zone I used for TP. Can you see? That was the zone I used for the TP, this guy. So I was expecting market to reject, to push back to either to this level. Then I will engage for a buy again. But guess what? Market just start breaking to the upside. It was just breaking. So now, before we can engage on this, on daily time frame, I need to see. No, is it daily? No, it's not daily. I think it's 4 hours. 4 hours. Hey, it's time for a buy. Yes, so because I actually want market to give me a break. So look at the break now on 4 hours. Look at it. It has closed above. It has actually closed above. So let me check the 1 hour. Aha. So my bias is for market to give me a pullback. So on this 1 hour now, what can you see? We have this our what? Our 1 hour support here with a rejection. This is our 1HS. So from this 1HS, what happened? I go straight to 15 minutes. Please, let's start. Okay. This was the rejection. Market break this high. It broke this high. It broke this high to the upside. Now this is an inducement leg. Okay, so I'll be using the extreme again for the buy. So let me go back to that 1 hour. I would rather use the same 1 hour here. So I'll be looking forward to engage for a buy from here. On this 1 hour, this is my 1HSY. So this is our liquidity here. This equal lows here. That is the liquidity. And that is what? an inducement leg. Okay, because the market give us a nice equal high. The market has broken it to the upside, so I want market to push back here. Okay, then buy. So let us hope the market is going to give us the opportunity, and it's actually going to align with the trend line. If you go back to your 4 hours, you don't see market coming back from the trend line again. It has used it here already, but I still want to see market use the trend line once more. All right, so just push here, then to the upside. So market has broken this guy now. So we expect market to what? Keep pushing to this high. So if I engage on the buyer, we're taking our TP up here. Let's go to daily. This guy here. Okay, that is where our target is going to be. That virgin girl that is standing up there. So let me put alert in case that this is going to be later in the day or tomorrow. It might be tomorrow. If the opportunity comes, of course, definitely. Okay, so alert is there now. So guys, if you want to um be joining us every day, we go live every day, every 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. Then is Saturday and Sunday, anytime in the afternoon. Okay, so I live stream both on what? YouTube and TikTok. Okay, YouTube and TikTok. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. All right, and if you want to join our VIP, the VIP is $20 monthly, 2 weeks, $10. All right, to join the VIP. And I have this opportunity, mentorship class opportunity. This one I will close it maybe by next week or next 2 weeks for registration. So the registration is open. Group class for 50, the one online one-on-one is 100. So I'll be teaching you many things about Forex. Okay, everything about Forex. And it's actually 3 times in a week, then 2 months program. So if you want to partake on this, you can reach out to me. Okay, so guys, let's keep tapping and let us share this live stream. Let us go ahead, guys. If you have questions, send your request and let us talk. And if this is your first time, you are welcome. It's trying to mitigate that zone. How many minutes left for that candle? We have about It's still fast. 2 hours 34 minutes. Please, let's start.
Want to spice up your listening? Smart Shuffle can weave in song recommendations for your playlist when you join Spotify Premium. Or start a jam, where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists, all with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Let's start. Let's start and share. Let's start and share. Let's stop. Break even video. Not yet. Aero Joe. What's up, brother? How are you doing, bro? Ah, God. Okay, this one is full.
Bring the beats with Premium. Download and bring your music anywhere so you can dance to high-quality music without hearing ads. Mix up your playlist with song recommendations from Smart Shuffle, or take total control of your listening with unlimited skips and repeats. Experience music without limits. Tap the banner to get started.
What's up, my guy? Got any setup on V75? Can we analyze V25? We are on buy on V75. We are buying. Hey, look at that. Okay, look at the rejection. So let's go to 4 hours now. Yeah. So that is the mitigation I want to see. Okay, can you see this? You see the way market is rejecting. So I hope you can reject and start pushing from there. So we have about 2 hours 19 minutes left for that candle to close. So we are banking on a buy already. We are on buy. We are on buy. Mr. Victor, we are on buy. This was the asset that we had yesterday. So now we engage on the buy here. So but what I'm seeing here is market is giving us a falling wedge. Let me show you. It's kind of giving us a falling wedge there. Okay, so this falling wedge, I hope it can actually break. Once it breaks this, then I want to see more push to the upside. So that is what I have on this particularly. So that's that. V25. I think we talked about V25. Yeah, this was the V25 that we waited for buy limit yesterday around here, but market did not tap us in. We waited for a buy limit here, but market failed to tap us in, and this was the TP we were actually waiting for. So this is what we had yesterday. Okay, but market did not tap us in, so now we've already delayed the pending order. So for now, if market can actually still push back here, it's going to be nice. Push back, reject from here, give us a buy, a change of character from that point. Then we log in for a long position. Okay, we log in for a long position. So they see downtrend. They see downtrend. Yeah. Where? Where? Where is downtrend? What structure is this? Market no dey bullish. All this one wey market do now pull back now. Market is doing pullback now. All this move wey push from here, it's trying to do a pullback. Overall, market is bullish. You don't get it? On V75, that was when he wrote that. Okay, V25, okay. Let's check V75. This is V75. Market is bearish. Okay, So what we are doing is I trade from zones to zones. So market break above this resistance level, this strong area, market broke above it. So I want to see market push up maybe to this area before it continue the downtrend. Do you understand? Before it will continue the downtrend. So that was the bias. So where am I using this guy as target? It's actually if you go to daily and look at the equal low that market give us here, it give us a nice equal low right here. Okay, so I want to see markets keep pushing up. You see this area is just an inducement leg. All this area here, okay, all this place is just what an inducement area. So if market actually wants to drop for sale, you can use this area to sell. Okay, so that is why I'm using that zone as my what, our target. And if you look at the structure we saw for here, bro, you see that on daily time frame market is bullish here. Okay, so it got here. This is where we have the break. It now give us what? A pullback, another higher high. Now market give us this is creating an higher low. So I want to see a push to the upside. So this pattern, the market is giving us a falling wedge here. This is the falling wedge the market is giving us on 4 hours. So on 4 hours is showing a downtrend here on 4 hours. Okay, and now the downtrend is not really a downtrend. Okay, because from this high, this low that market created, it created a higher low. Market did not break it here. It is here that market now broke. So you broke it here, giving us this higher high. So until market break this low, before I can say that okay, market is ready to keep in. But anytime so from here, from this area, I want to see markets break this trend line to the upside so that you can continue the uptrend for now. Do you understand? Look at the 4 hours, look at the structures here that we have. So we are trying to follow the structure like that to the upside. It is only here we are having this kind of falling wedge now. So I want to see markets break to the upside. Do we understand, brother? So that is my simple bias. And here market is giving us inverse head and shoulder. Okay, inverse head and shoulder. This is what? Hey, yeah, sorry. Okay, so this is our head and this is shoulder, and now market is rejected from this shoulder, which is going to give us the inverse head and shoulder as confirmation to the upside. Are we clear, sir? So market is trying to consolidate a bit because here too we have head and shoulder here. This is head, this is shoulder, and now market has formed another shoulder right here. So you see that it's trying to manipulate people right there, to manipulate. And do you know why it's doing this? Because market is on a point of entry for a sell on daily. But guess what? That zone is just an inducement for me. Okay, so people are willing to sell from here, which market has already taken them out. Market has taken them out around here. Okay, so still looking for the buy. Do you understand? Please let us tap and share. Please let's tap. Let's get to 20k. We are on 17. Let's get to 20. And guys, let's get to 20. So let us check 51s. What is going on with this 51s? Where has market gotten to? So look at what I'm saying. You see this daily resistance now. This is the zone I said I want market to reject from. Okay. This is the zone I want market to reject from. All right. Yeah. So which is our what? DR. Daily resistance level. All right. So if this guy can reject like this, it closes below, then I want to see a massive drop from there. I want to see market drop. Okay, I want to see market drop. So now let's go to 4 hours. Okay, you see the 4 hours, you see what market is trying to do. It's trying to give us what? A resistance level here. All right. It mitigates the trend line. And if you go to our 1 hour use a resistance level, rejecting nicely with a bearish engulfing. Look at this level, this 1 hour resistance. You see that? So I want to see this guy keep pushing to the downside. So let's check the other one. These are the three trades that we are now. So this particular one, okay, so we want to see more push to the upside. We want to see more push to the upside. So I think that is all. That is all. So guys, if you want to join our VIP is $20. Okay, it's $20, and the 2 week subscription is $10. Okay, and the mentorship class is open for group class for $50, then one-on-one for $100, one-on-one online for $100. So you can reach out if you want to reach out, and make sure you follow me if you haven't, and make sure you join us every day 9 a.m. in the morning from Monday to Friday. Then Saturday and Sunday is going to be anytime from afternoon. You're going to see me live stream. So at the moment we are live streaming both on TikTok and YouTube. So tomorrow I'm going to live stream only on YouTube. So everybody, make sure you subscribe. So anytime I go live, of course, I'm going to drop the scheduled time on the free Telegram group this evening. So at the same time, still make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified once we go live. Okay, it's actually very sweet there. You'll be seeing the screen, everything very sharp there. The voice, everything is clean. So we're going to do that on YouTube tomorrow, and on TikTok I will just come live and just on. I will use will facing my face. We'll turn the camera to my face. So if you want to see the charts, you go to the YouTube and do that. So let us try to push both TikTok and the YouTube. Okay, let us try to push it together finally. Thank you. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream. So make sure you go subscribe. Okay, make sure you go subscribe. And we started this live stream 2 days ago. So this is the third one. Yes, 2 days ago. This is the third one. So you can easily go back to the live stream that we did yesterday, 2 days ago, and 3 days ago, and see what we do. So that is the advantage. Many of you that missed out on the on the live stream, you can actually go back and see what we did. You can forward it, do anything what you feel like. So, and again, if you're on the live stream, maybe you are busy, you just went out, you go do something. From where you stop that is where it's going to continue from. So if you want to rewind, you can rewind and see what we talked the last time. So it's actually very sweet to use. Okay, it's actually very sweet to use. So make sure you subscribe. Let us tap and share. Let's tap and share. So let us be prepared for the SLs. Okay, we are still open to SL. All this trade way you see. I'm not moved at it at all. I'm not moved. I'm not, because we are still open to what? To SL. Dewashiwa and Taboshiwa. Our yash there outside as it is. Our yash there outside. Everybody is looking at our yash now. So until we do break even, before we close door. Well, now we never close door. We still open all the three trades. So we are still open to SL. So just get prepared for that SL. Get prepared. What thing I go do, God? Oh, Jesus. What thing I go do? Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. My hand go mistakenly click this thing. Erujo. What's up, my brother? Let's tap and share. Let's start and share. Who be that fine girl now? Oh, you like the girl? You're a bad guy. You are a bad guy. You are a bad guy. She seems like she wanted to something, wanted to vote. Erojo, you are not married. And if you are not married, say now for life, this thing will just see wife like that. You better go your village, you go pick one wife for there. Enter village, go select. If you pack chili, put for ourselves. If you pack chili, put for us. Have we talked about gold today? Do we talk about gold today? My bias is for you to look for buys. Like I said over the weekend, that is my bias for the week. Let's go to weekly time frame. TDK. No now. No now. If you get the mind carry theory now, you don't mean anything. If you get the mind carry theory. Okay, so let me see the daily. Our bias is to go for buys. All right, so there are two areas that I feel like this guy should keep pushing to. Now, if you look at this, our neckline, this is a neckline on this W pattern. This is DS. I will explain. Okay, so this is the W pattern from this leg. Market give us this lower low, lower high, equal low. That is equal low, right? Double bottom. Now market push up. It completes the what? The W pattern. So when market break out from this line, market did not give us an opportunity for pullback before it completes the range. It did not. Okay, so this was the equal lows the market created, double bottom. All right, and now market is rejecting from this daily resistance level here, which is our what? DR. Can you see that? Market is rejecting from there. So you can as well take a sell to this level, look for confirmation and take a buy. Okay, on gold. You get it? Guys, do you get it? So now let's go to 4 hours. Styles, what's up, my brother? So this 4 hours, as you can see, market give us what? A nice sweep here. We had this sweep of liquidity right there. We have a sweep, okay? Market break this low, change of character. Market give us what? An inducement leg. It gives us this inducement leg. Okay, before we have this lower low, breaking structure to the downside. So we want to see market push up to this resistance, drop to this guy. So you see this level, if you have a confirmation, you can take an entry from there. With a confirmation. Did you get that? Confirmation, not aggressive. Any kind of confirmation. It might be bearish engulfing. It might be evening star. It might be three inside down. It might be anything, any reversal pattern. You just look for sell from there. You get my point, guys? That is my bias on gold. I can't wait to come back to gold, to come back to all these peers. I can't wait. But seriously, I am enjoying statistics for the past 9 weeks. Adi said, is V75 going to go up? I don't know. What a question. Seriously, I don't know. Because I talk and say, let us be ready for SA. V75. I don't know, maybe it will go up now. Because I said it the other time that we are open for SA, that we should be ready for 3 SLs. So I bet more no put fear. I don't want any fear at all. Don't bring fear here. And I've said it. That be ready for SL. Be ready for SLs. You understand, Mr. Harry? Be ready for SL. Now, if you are panicking, that means you don't pass your boundary with that. If you are panicking, you are scared. That means you don't pass your boundary. You don't risk what you're not supposed to risk. That is why I said, if you want to click that buy or sell, have it in mind that this thing where I want click, so now SL straight to. Don't say market is going to go your way. Just say this guy is going to my SL. So by doing that, you will be careful of what you are going to risk. You will be extremely careful of what you're going to be risking on that particular trade. But if you're telling yourself that, oh, this trade I want to engage, I so much believe in my strategy is the best, this is this, I am the market pusher. My brother, you will risk more than what you're supposed to risk. Then anytime you now see the market coming to your drawdown, it's just trying to play with your emotions, and you begin to realize that, oh my God, my money is going down. Jesus Christ. You can't be trading like that, bro. Everybody, I'm talking to you, not only him, all right? Whenever you are trading, always have this excitement in you. You have the SL, be excited with that. You need to be excited. You need to be happy. If you're not doing this, your psychology will not grow. If no one is telling you the truth, I'm going to tell you the truth. All traders make losses. All traders. Most of us has cried. We don't cry. We don't cry before. I never say that will go make me cry. The only thing will go make me cry is say maybe my loved ones that I love so much, fine, accept that. Or I'm watching some kind of emotion thing that is moving me, will go make me cry because I'm an emotional person. Do you understand? But Forex, never, never, never. They no born aware. And I mean they in charge. No be Forex, they in charge. They no born aware. Say you go won't make me. They say I want the They no born aware. They never reach. Now the time where I don't know. I never understand. I go they do. So even though if market not go against me, right? I'm not worried. I'm not. Because I know what I'm risking. And I know what I've been getting. I know what I've gotten. I've gotten it so bad. I've gotten, back to back. I'm not a trader that you will be seeing me posting, showing my winning, say, this is the amount of money I made. I think I just see that as show up. Say, make I the show up, say, so that people can come for my VIP, come for my this thing. You will not see me do that. The only thing you see is just the chart, or I show you on the MT5 where you see the blue or the red. But say you go to see the amount of money, because now that amount of money they catch, they attract people. That is what people want to see. Guess what? Let me go to a running trade that is going in profit. Let me show you something. I will bust your head with something now. Now, this particular trade now, this particular trade. What's going on now? Come on now. This trade that is running now. If another person will be say get money pass me, take this trade. Me will be say I just risk as little as 50. And somebody else is risking 5K. You know what you will be seeing the profit that is running? People will feel like, whoa, this guy is good. Not knowing that at the same trade where I take into take. But what you'll be seeing on my own is you are seeing about $60 something, $70 something. But from his own end, you know they see 5K plus. He's risking 5K. Big money. People want to see that big money. It's big. I like in Chinese. I beg, make now no fall for all these things. Though. You understand? What matters is don't be carried away with the exact money you're seeing on that the MT5. Some people get the money. I don't have the money. It is what I have I'm using to trade. Some of us here are actually risking more than what I risk. Some of us are risking more than $50 here. That they are just there on low key. If I used to talk about this, my student, right? This is my wonderful brother. Do you know what he normally risk? He risks $500 per trade. 500. They don't bomb me well now. I don't even reach half quarter or quarter of his quarter. I don't even know how to put it. You can't compare 50 to 500, bro. He's my student. He's my student. We are done with mentorship, but we are still together as brothers. Still together. This guy is risking $500. He has money. Okay, imagine him is the one doing the live stream. He's the one in charge. He's not showing the wins. He's showing the running trade on MT5, showing you the price. Oh my God. Huh? Showing you the price. That's how you're gonna be feeling. You'll be feeling like. Okay. So back to our discussions. Please do not put pressure on any trade at all. Risk management, the power wey risk management gets when it comes to forex, not only forex, in the world, I mean in terms of business. If you lack it, you can never get there. If you lack risk management, you can never grow. You go just dey think say maybe na one village people dey follow you. No, it's you the problem. Risk management. There is this one of my mommy in UK. We spoke yesterday. She wanted to invest. She wanted me to manage her account. And I told her yesterday, she said she wanted to look for more money to add up. Because the way I give her my structure, the way I go about my trade, she was wow, that is a very good proper risk management. And that's it. The more the money you use to invest, the more the money you will make. I will not say because I have $500, I should be risking $100. Lie. It was when I say I have like $100, you say, okay, I will just say, let me risk. Let me take this risk. Let me do this, But the normal this thing, the way that they do my risk, I know they pass my body. I just do my level. I don't compete. I don't want people to say, this guy don't buy this. I don't want to do show up. I'm not in for that. Oh, because it's ratio. But ratio is good now. Ratio they try now. At this by now, ratio suppose don't do this now. And I'm not ready to impress anybody. I don't care. Impress who? So because I want to impress now, I will not force myself to just say, okay, because I have so amount of money, let me risk high so that I can quickly make this money so that I can buy good car. I can, so that I can be doing that for sure. Just to impress people. Anything you're doing in life, you're trying to impress people, my brother. Kai, that's the beginning of the downfall. Don't impress. The only thing you should just do is make sure that your day, the very day, is actually better than yesterday. Always make your new day be better than the one of the previous one. People don't care about you. We don't care about ourselves. You do show up, add up anything, move anybody, nothing dead there, bro. Nothing dead there. So stay on your level. And I always say it's not all the trade I take you can take. I try as much as possible to come down to people's level here so that at least there will be some trade that I will feel like taking that, okay, this trade, I can risk this, past 50. But not be anybody go fit take am now. But because most people here believe in me, they believe that, if I say buy, they buy. If I say sell, they sell. So if they see me, I'm taking the trade, and you don't have the money to take it, and the risk is showing about $25, right? I mean, I double it, I use 50, and you only have about $30, and you want to risk $5 or something. Because I said click buy, I'm buying. You can't risk 25 from your $30. What if the market go against us? What if the market go against us? If the market go against us, then your money is gone now. Your money is gone. Somebody's asking for V75 SL. Okay. Please, let's start. V75 SL. Here we go. You see the way market drop massively, right? That is this falling wedge. So let's see. That's why you should be prepared for losses. So now market push all the way down to come and mitigate this guy. Let me take this guy, these things out. Let me take it out. So this area now, market can decide and reject from here. That is, it's now left for him. If market doesn't reject from there, then that means he wants to drop. He will keep dropping. But if he can reject from here, then it is likely to keep pushing to the upside. So this is the Hessel 47824.11. Please let's start.
Sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with
So that is
offline
Hessel.
downloads, or play your song of the moment again
Okay.
and again with unlimited repeats. Get all the music without hearing audio ads on
Danko.
Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
Danko. So all these retraces, let us see how it's gonna go. Which opportunity do we have again? Is there any trade that we are missing out? 75 index, global. And now, you don't date for 75 index since now. We are on this trade now. Are you just joining? This 75 index, we're on a buy. We are on a buy, okay? Here we go. We are on a buy on this trade. Wow, I love what I'm seeing here. Wow, look at the way market is dropping. Guys, you know what we're gonna do? I'm going to be having a buy limit on this. No play. We are going for buy limit pending order on this. So we are using this guy as a target. Yeah. CP. Entry. SL. So this one will be giving us about 1 to 8. This is V251S. V251S. I want to post this one now. 251S. Please, let's start. What's up, good? What's up? I greet you. $25 1S. Long limit. Apply proper risk management. Okay. Copy. Okay, posted. Okay, so the free Telegram group now. Going on for the free Telegram group. Use 1 to 3. 1 to 3 RR. Make I do my own as well. Okay, the SL828 00187 TP 844 639.32. Okay, let's go. All right, step 200. So let us wait for market to tap us in. So we have a pending on that right chart. Let's go. Let's roll. Step 200. Step underscore index 200. I have it here now. Okay, we talk about this one, my brother. Global. We talk about this step index before. So market is actually bearish. Okay. Or have we talked about it today? No, we've not. We've not. Oh. So this is step index 200. Market is trying to break below this guy, but we need to be very careful because of this level. So let us go to weekly. Let us see what we have on weekly. So on weekly time frame, you see, I will advise you to just stay away from step 200. I will advise you to stay away from step 200. No proper structure. I will just advise you, okay? You will see good setup on lower time frame, but at the same time, you need to be very careful. If you look at this, our trend line, this is a symmetrical triangle, right? A market is trying to break below this trend line, but that doesn't mean that it cannot still push up again. It can use this area, this zone, this support here, reject from there, and push up again. It might do that, okay? So I would just advise you, in case if you are looking forward to take this trade, look for an entry around here. But me, I'm not going to back on this kind of trade, okay? Around there. You understand? If you have a nice pullback, bank on it, okay? But seriously, I'm not going to take any trade on this. It's going up and down. The market is going up and down. It's going up and down. So that's that. So let us check our trade one after the other. All the trades that we have that is running.
Lean into the sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with offline downloads, or play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited repeats. Get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
So we have this one that is running at the moment. We have this one that is running at the moment. Then we have this one too. It's still on our entry point. And we have this one, the last one here. And we have this. Okay. And we have this that is about to tap us in. Step 25 1S. That is about to tap us in. It should just tap, we just then start pushing. So that is that. If you have questions, send your request, let us talk. Where is your TP for 75 1S? Please. Just trust God FX. Wow. This your name, go far, bro. Trust God. Just trust God. So this is the TP, sir. That is the TP. It's not clear. Is it clear now? Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Hello, boss. Can I ask? Devil, of course. Go ahead now. What's your question, sir? And if you want to send request, of course, you can send request. You can come up. Ask your question. You're free, my bro. Devil, I'm waiting for the Devil. Which kind of name be this? What's your question? Why will you be naming yourself Devil? This name is not good at all, bro. Even though if anybody actually wants to even help you, I swear nobody go help you with this name. Nobody. They will run for you. I won't lie to you, bro. Can't be giving yourself this kind of name. It's not good. You better go and change it immediate effect. You say change it later. You better quickly go and change it. It's for your own good now. You don't see any name to use. You are using devil. What does that devil mean? It is well. GBP USD. Okay, let's go. Assuming you were here yesterday, this is a zone right here where I said people can actually look forward to buy this guy. Okay, to buy from this area. So what market is actually doing now, because this is currency pairs, so you need to be very, very careful. Okay, so this thing where market they do, this is what they call a bullish rectangle. A bullish rectangle is when you have a push to the upside, the market starts ranging. okay, and push up again. That is a bullish rectangle. All right, and that is what is actually happening around here now. From this low, it push up. Now it's consolidating here now. So we might have another push from there again to the upside. So even if you now want to have the push, okay, we have a zone here where you can use for the target, this area. Okay, that you can use for the target. Let's go to daily time frame. Now, can you see that area on daily? That you can take this your buy to at least. But mind you, this is my bias is for market to get to this area before you can begin to look for sell setup. So if you have a sell setup around there, of course you can take it. But you see all these places, this is just a what liquidity area.
With Premium, you get to focus on the music.
That is just an
Explore a
liquidity
vast
area
catalog of
that I
millions of
want market
songs
to
without
what
hearing ads.
to come and
Or
take
download
out.
your playlist to
Then
listen to
use
them
this
later.
area
You can also
for
play
what?
your favorite
For
songs in
a
any order,
sell
with the freedom to skip
with
forward or
confirmation.
backward as much as you'd like. Your audio, your control. Tap the banner to learn more.
Okay, with confirmation. So now let's go back to that 4 hours. Assuming this is synthetics, right? I'll be taking a buy from where market is around here. But this is currency pairs, and I don't know if there's news. Let me see. Is there news today? There's no high impact news today. Okay. Around here, you can look forward to what? Look for a setup for a continuation for a buy. Because what we have now is bullish rectangle. Let's go to 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour. Can you see? We have what? We have this area of this other block here that becomes a breaker. That is 1 HS. Can you see that level? So if you mark your fib level, you see the market did not get to the 50%, but at least is below the 30%. Let's check together. Now you see that I sabi measurement. You understand? I said he never get is close to the 50%, but is below what? The 38%. So sometimes I don't need to draw fib level. If I see market, I don't know where market they react from. Do you understand? It's just like when you have a professional tailor and you want to sew clothes, he wants to take your measurements. There's a professional tailor that will not even take your measurement. Once they don't see your eye, they don't see your waist, see everything, they know the kind of size that's going to fit you without taking your measurement. All right. So now look at the way market is rejecting from this breaker. Okay, 25 1S just tap us in. Okay, we'll be tapped in. So now look at this. Market give us a sweep of this low. Market give us a sweep of this low. Now it's trying to push up. So you should be looking for a buy setup around there. So if you go to 15 minutes, so the only thing I can do for you is I don't try my best here. Do your own strategy. Your own strategy should be around there. Use your strategy for what? To look for your buying confirmation. To look for buying. So that's my bias on GU. I don't want to break it down to the extent that some people will now feel like, oh, your hair. So just go and look for buy. I'm seeing so many things there. trend line breakout, no trend line respecting. You know, there's things that I'm still seeing here, support there that you can use. So that is for GU. So I can't wait to come back to currency pairs so that we'll be taking trade from it. But for now, my brother, we need to we need to stay away for now. So they said 25 1s and start posting. Let's confirm that. Okay, so we'll be tapped in. So we'll be tapped in. So we are expecting another SL. Oh God, SL will choke today. SL will choke. Oh. We are expecting another SL. We'll be tapped in. So hopefully, if this guy can keep dropping, it's going to take us out. Bam. Then our mind will rest. Euro USD. Matter. Okay, ma'am. Look at it. This one is already even pushing. So you see what you need to do here is, because we want to buy that GU, that should give you an edge on that GU that you should just buy. Just buy. So because Euro USD and GU, they move sideways, right? But sometimes they move in one direction, but sometimes we have divergence. Okay, there's divergence, but nevertheless, for this current move, you realize that market is pushing, and now the only thing you need to do here is just use a fib level. Mark out your what? This. Okay, so you can just engage for a buy. It's not actually volatile. If something that you can just engage for a long position like this, make sure your SL is here at this red zone. You see this red zone where I use for this my fib, that is on this candle. Put your SL there, then go long. Target wherever you want to target, but at least just do 1 to 2 and get out. Just do 1 to 2, or you can use this eye here, okay, for your what, for your target here. Then you are out. So at least you still be getting about 2.50 something. Okay, so this is a nice one for you guys if you can take it. Boom. So that is it. So you don't need to stress yourself with the analysis like that, because it's actually the same with listen, now this is the trend line that can actually help you too. Okay, look at the trend line that can actually help. Okay, so just keep looking for that buying opportunity, because Euro USD is actually pushing more than GU at the moment. So that's it. Now make sure your SL is here. Make sure the SL is here. So we have 4 trades running now. 4 trades that is running at the moment. So you see this candle is going to close in the next 60 minutes. This particular candle that is printing will close in the next 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes, and less than 17 minutes rather. Send your request and let us talk, guys. Send your request and let's talk. If you have any question, send your request. On the YouTube, drop your comments if you have any question. So we'll be streaming only on YouTube tomorrow. Tomorrow, by the grace of God. Boss, what's your strategy? My strategy is simple way of trading. Simple way of trading, and I'm not a one. I diversify. I'm a conny person when it comes to the market. So I trade what I see. That is simple way of trading. So you can call it SWOT strategy. I'm not an MSNR, I'm not an ICT, SMC, support resistant, anything you want to call it. I am everything. So being everything is just me trying to follow the trend of the market. I use zones to zones. Market break a resistance to the next target. It rejects from here to the next target, from one bus stop to another. And so me I dey jump bounce. So me I jump bounce. I dey jump boss. Jumping balls from one bus stop to another. You understand? So I trade what I see. I'm not a so it will be very difficult to say, oh, this is how this guy trade. And there's no style I cannot use. Please, let's start. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Go and join. I don't know what is wrong with TikTok. We'll be having a very, very low turnout for some weeks now. A very, very low turnout. And it's not only me actually. Many of our people that do live stream. Many of people that are actually doing live stream. I don't know what's going on. But there are some that their distance did not even drop. My own dropped. You can imagine, look at numbers of people that are on the live stream. I don't know, maybe they're not sharing this on FYP again. I don't know. Or something might be going wrong. So that's why we need to push this our YouTube, guys. We need to push this YouTube. Because as time goes on, if I see that TikTok is not really cooperating, then I'm not gonna be coming live to trade on TikTok again. I will only be doing it on YouTube. And that's it. So you guys should make sure you subscribe. The link on that for this live on the group, and people go and subscribe there. I still even prefer that one. The shakara for TikTok is too much. That's crazy. Please let's tap and share. So hopefully this guy should go in our favor, or he go against us. Any way we want to do now, Sabi. I don't care. My confirmation, what I use here for this entry is different. So that is why I say the way I trade, it will be very difficult. Even they say, this is own strategy. Now some people will look at this strategy, they will say, but this is MSNR. But this is even okay. Come and explain this. Maybe this is MSNR. This one that I took here, maybe it's MSNR or whatever. So it depends on what I see in the market. It all depends. It all depends. So we have 10 minutes left for this candle to close. Less than 10 minutes. Less than. Rich auntie, thank you. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more. Okay. Maybe too much.
6 minutes left for the candle to close. So 4 trades today only. This is much. 4 trades today only. Okay. So we just be watching them. That's what we're doing now. Just to watch them. So if I can have a break to the upside, then if market should break this guy, this trend line, it break, then support low. Support low. If it doesn't break, obviously market can do what? Can still give us a can have an answer there. Please let's start. Then 51s. 51s, you see that is going against us now. It's pushing back. Let's go to 4 hours. It's pushing back, but let's see, maybe it's going to reject or it's going to keep pushing. If we break this trend line, there's probability that this guy is going to push higher. So at least let us see, maybe that zone is going to reject that area. So on this daily time frame, then that means we're going to be having a break if that candle closes above this resistance. So let's see at the end of the day, now it will determine, because we have a zone here, we might actually see reject and drop down. So market is on our drawdown at the moment on this V51s. So the next one, 75 1s. Let's start. So this is 75 1s. Market is still there. It's struggling to continue pushing to the upside. It's actually struggling, but we're going to watch. It's actually struggling. So once it's 1 or after 1, I'll be closing my live stream today. Okay, because we already have 4 trades running now, so I don't think we should just be looking for more opportunities. So this one is running. Then the last one, which is this one that we just took now, that just triggered us. So we have 2 minutes left for this candle to. Okay, so we are back on YouTube. Sorry about that. I think it's the network. All right, so join us every day 9 a.m. Monday to Friday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday, anytime. Okay, so we live stream YouTube on TikTok, but tomorrow I'll be live streaming only on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you join us tomorrow. So later I will use the TikTok, but that one will just show my face. So if you want to join this mentorship class, it's still open for now, which is a group class, $50, one-on-one online, $100. Okay, learn everything about Forex. You're gonna learn a lot. Day trading, swing trading, position trading, a lot of things. There's psychology, risk management, benefits of trading Forex, how Forex works, all these things. So my WhatsApp line is below here. Okay, and if you want to join our VIP, my VIP is $20. VIP signal group today is $20. Then 2 weeks subscription is just $10. Okay, so payment of method, we have crypto, then the local bank. All right, and make sure you join us on the free Telegram group. So guys, I'll be leaving right now. Okay, so that we'll be watching all our trades, 4 trades, then we'll see how it goes. But at the moment, we are running in profits for this week at the moment. So at the end of today, we'll see the level where we did. Maybe we go there on drawdown, or at least have it in mind that we're going to what, make a lot of losses. Don't say that, oh, because you engage on this trade, so the trade have to go your way. No, 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 don't do that. Okay, so now the candle have actually closed and it rejects nicely from there. So let us see the magic that is going to happen from that point. So guys, let me leave you by saying thank you very much for joining. People on the from the YouTube, thank you, and those of you that are here, thank you. So see you tomorrow and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless you guys. Bye. Yeah, bye bye.